Japanese cuisine, or washoku, is a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation, where every dish tells a story of culture, seasonality, and meticulous craftsmanship. At the heart of Japanese cooking lies an unwavering respect for ingredients. Freshness is paramount, with chefs often sourcing local and seasonal produce to ensure the natural flavors shine through. Staple ingredients such as miso, soy sauce, and bonito flakes are not just flavor enhancers, but are integral to the identity of Japanese cuisine. These elements contribute to the umami taste, a savory flavor profile that adds depth and richness to dishes. Innovation in Japanese cooking is evident in the seamless fusion of traditional techniques with modern culinary practices. Chefs are continually experimenting, creating dishes that honor heritage while embracing contemporary flavors. In Japan, presentation is a vital aspect of Japanese cuisine. The aesthetic appeal of a dish is considered as important as its taste, reflecting the cultural emphasis on balance and harmony. Regional diversity adds to the uniqueness of Japanese food culture. From the seafood-rich dishes of Hokkaido to the robust flavors of Kansai cuisine, each region offers its own culinary treasures. Japanese cooking culture is a testament to the country's dedication to excellence, where the finest ingredients meet innovative techniques to create meals that are both unique and delicious.